In this course, you will learn the bare essentials of spatial analysis. Aside from walking you through the 14 different geographical query combinations for comparing two GIS maps, I teach you spatial analysis techniques by taking you step by step in follow-along style videos through a simple spatial analysis exercise. We start with a GIS map of schools and a GIS map of census areas. Now, from these two maps, we'll determine how many potential students live in the catchments of schools that teach senior students. It is an exercise that involves buffering, database query, geographical query, and data summary. Now, although it's a short exercise, I promise you that by doing it, you will learn the bare essentials of spatial analysis. The essence of what I show you has formed the foundation of many of the GIS consultancies that I have done over the last 23 years. Consultancies for clients like the United Nations, like the Australian Federal Government, state departments of Premier and Cabinet, universities, local government, the water industry, catchment management authorities, and more. Now, even though the tasks for those consultancies involve sophisticated spatial query and database query combinations coded into software applications, what I teach you in this course is still the foundation of those consultancies. Finally, as with all my courses, there is a text to complement the videos. A zip file containing the GIS maps that I use in the course, instructions on how to make your Quantum GIS installation look like my Quantum GIS installation, and advice on which version of Quantum GIS to install. And beware, it is not the latest version. Be sure to hit the enroll button now, and I genuinely look forward to seeing you inside.